Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on Maruti Suzuki. Our analysts reiterate a buy on Maruti Suzuki with a price target of Rs 11,333, factoring a success of new launches, better operating performance, and structural upward shift in the product mix. With a strong order book and successful new launches, the management has shared an optimistic outlook for near term. With improvement in SUV sales and traction in volumes, we expect Maruti to report a strong EBITDA margin in Q2 of FY24. Stock trades at 26.4 times its FY25 earning estimates. Next on radar is Dalmia Bharat. Our analyst retains a buy on the stock with an unchanged price target of Rs 2,830, considering its strong growth potential led by capacity addition. In Q2 of FY24, the company reported beat on operational profitability, led by lower than estimated power and fuel and freight cost. Marginal miss on revenues was led by market share loss in East. The management expects corrective action in regaining market share in East to accrue from Q4. It remains committed on growing faster than industry. It added 5.1 MTPA cement capacity in first half of FY24 to reach 43.1 MTPA. It targets achieve 56 MTPA cement capacity by FY24 and including JP Associates assets. For more detailed disclosures and disclaimers, please refer to our research report or contact our nearest branch. Please read the risk disclosure document issued by SEBI and relevant exchanges and terms and conditions on sharekhan.com before investing.
Thank you for watching. To keep up with the latest from Sharekhan, make sure you subscribe to our channel. You can also download the Sharekhan app for all your trading and investing needs. Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.